Namaste from TechRaman. ITEL has launched three new smartphones in India today: ITEL A44, A44 Pro, and S42. Of these three, A44 is the basic entry-level smartphone priced at Rs 5,799 and would be available in offline stores across India. Let's take a look at the A44 in this video. The box highlights three things: full screen display, fingerprint sensor, and bike mode similar to the Samsung S Bike mode. At a budget offering, this is a good feature additions to the phone, especially for offline segments. Inside the box, you have the A44 phone, user manual, transparent soft back case, power adapter, micro USB cable, and an attractive looking earphone in red color. Let's focus on the device. Backside has a 5 megapixel rear camera, LED flash, and fingerprint sensor. The bottom houses a speaker grill, mic, and a micro USB port. The top has audio jack. The right side has a power button and volume button. Left side has another special button which ITEL calls as Smart Key. It can perform three actions: click, double click, and long press, and each action can be customized to trigger different functions including the bike mode. The bike mode will enable a DND mode while driving and can be made to send out an SMS to tell the callers that you are driving. Let's open the back panel. There is a 2400 mAh battery, two SIM slots, and a dedicated micro SD card. The phone supports 4G VoLTE. Display is 5.45-inch FWVGA plus a 480 x 960 pixels resolution with a 18:9 aspect ratio. Viewing angle is decent, though the resolution is less, it's not bad either. App drawer is there. The phone runs on Android Nougat and powered by a MediaTek MT6737M processor, 1GB RAM and 8GB storage. A44 Pro comes with a 2GB RAM and 16GB storage. There are some smart features named iSmart. It offers 3-finger screenshot, gesture controls, fake calls to enable a different background ambient noise, double tap to click, etc. Fingerprint sensor is decent and supports app lock. Additional features include touching the sensor area for clicking pics, attending incoming calls, and to record calls. Yes, the phone has call recording feature too. On the camera side, there is a 5 megapixel camera at the rear and back, and some fun elements are also added in the camera app. So, this is the ITEL A44. What do you think about this phone? Share your thoughts in the comment section, and in case you are not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. And this is Lash Madan signing off at TechRaman. Have a great day. Cheers.